Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning about stochastic gradient descent. So it is an optimization algorithm in scikit-learn. It is a simple yet efficient optimization algorithm used to find the values of parameters, coefficients of functions that minimize a cost function. In other words, it is used for discriminative learning of linear classifiers under convex loss functions such as SVM and logistic regression. It has been successfully applied to large scale datasets because the update to the coefficients is performed for each training instance rather than at the end of instances, as you might have even come across during regression learning. So, first of all, let us revise the concept of the objective of gradient descent. Gradient in plain terms means slope or slant of a surface. So gradient descent literally means descending a slope to reach the lowest point on the surface. Now there are two things. First is SGD classifier and the other is SGD regressor. Now stochastic gradient classifier basically implements a plain SGD learning routine supporting various loss functions and penalties for classification. Scikit-learn provides SGD classifier module to implement SGD classification. So like other classifiers will be having X, which holds the training sample, and thereafter will be having Y, which will be having our target values. So for that, we import the necessary libraries. This is the matrix, the training set that we have, and this is the target values that we have. Thereafter, we are calling the SGD classifier. Now, this is the documentation that you can see. The various parameters you have is loss, penalty, L1 and L2 normalization. This was something that we had seen. Thereafter, we have alpha, the learning rate, L1 ratio, fit intercept, maximum iterations it should go to, total, shuffle, should we shuffle the data or not, verbose to see the steps, epsilon, number of jobs, random state, learning rate, etc., etc. Thereafter, the attributes are coefficient, intercept, number of iterations, loss function, classes. So one of the example that they have given over here is the same thing that we'll be implementing today, so as to see the output that we are getting. So this will be calling the number of iterations is 1000. Now we'll like to predict that what will be the output for 2 comma 2. So for 2 comma 2 the output will be 2. Thus the target value will be 2. Now we will be calling the attributes that we had seen. So CLF coefficient, the coefficients that it is giving, the intercept that it is giving, and thereafter we can even use other functions such as decision, so as to see that what is the decision function, so as to see that what is the hyperplane that we'll be using, right? So thereafter we have SGD regressor, stochastic gradient regressor, which basically implements a plain SGD learning routine supporting various loss functions and penalties to fit linear regression models. So scikit-learn provides us SGD regressor, and that is something we have called over here. Similarly, we'll be seeing the documentation for the same using Shift plus Tab. And these are the different parameters that you are seeing for the same. And thereafter, we have the attributes, the coefficient, intercept, the same attributes that we have. So we'll be running this on the same data that we have over here. And thereafter, we have the coefficients that we are getting over here are a bit different to what we had earlier. So this is something which can be used on large data sets, and this a very small example of SGD regressor has been shown over here. Have a great day.